Presenting TECNO Spark Go 2024 smartphone. It is available in mystery white and gravity black colors. This is capable of managing multiple applications and tasks simultaneously with up to 6 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM. It includes SD card slot for up to 1 TB expansion. Designed with 6.56-inch dot-in display and dynamic port with the 90 Hz refresh rate to ensure a smooth scrolling experience. Features 13MP dual camera with wide aperture and HDR for sharpness and 8MP selfie camera with beauty enhancements and dual flash for ideal lighting. It is built with Octa-Core T606 processor to deliver lightning-fast performance, astonishing peak frequency and leave no hanging or lagging complaints. It has 5000 mAh battery and a versatile Type-C charger with 10 watts. The box includes SIM tray ejector, USB cable, power adapter and phone case.